Welcome to English Practice Every Day. This visual English practice video is for beginner level learners. In this video, we will describe an image in very simple English with short, clear, and easy to understand sentences. Throughout our practice, I will highlight important words and phrasal verbs. Let's start. Please speak out loud with me as we practice. This is a painting. It shows a man and a dog in the snow. The man is lying on the snow. He is not moving. His eyes are closed. He looks cold and tired. Maybe he is sleeping, but maybe he is dead. The man has a beard. He is wearing a green coat and brown pants. He also has long black boots. He is wearing a dark hat, but it has fallen off his head. His head is resting on the snow. There is a red object that looks like a compass in his hand. He is holding it, even while lying down. Maybe it is important to him. Near his hand, we see a small shovel or a pickaxe. It is half covered in snow. There is a big white dog next to the man. The dog has black and brown spots. It is sitting close to the man. One of the dog's front legs is on the man's chest. The dog is looking up at the sky. Its mouth is open. Maybe the dog is crying or howling. Maybe it is calling for help. The dog looks sad and worried. It wants to help the man. It does not want to leave him. It is loyal and brave. The snow is all around them. Everything is white. There are no trees, no houses, and no people nearby. Only one small tree is on the left side. It is covered in snow too. The sky is dark and cloudy. There is a little orange light in the sky. Maybe it is the sun or the moon. The weather looks cold and windy. The place looks high, maybe on a mountain. This place is lonely and quiet. It is not safe. The man was probably walking or working here. Maybe he was a miner. Maybe he was traveling. We do not know for sure. But it looks like something bad happened. He got lost or tired. He could not go home. The dog stayed with him. The dog did not leave. It is waiting for someone to come. It is trying to protect the man. It is a good dog. It loves the man very much. This picture is very sad, but it is also beautiful. It shows love, care, and loyalty. The man and the dog are best friends. Even in danger, they stay together. We can learn from this picture. We can see that animals have feelings too. They can love and care. The dog is not afraid. It is strong. It is a true friend. This painting makes us feel many things. We feel sad for the man. We feel sorry for the dog. But we also feel happy to see their strong bond. The colors in the picture are soft. There is white snow, a dark sky, and a little light. The dog's fur is bright and warm. The man's clothes are dark. The tools and the compass show that he was working or exploring. The snow looks deep and cold. The mountain looks far and dangerous. The dog's eyes are full of emotion. The man's face is peaceful. It looks like he is resting. The painting feels very real. The artist painted it with great care. We can see every small detail. The snow, the footprints, the man's beard, the dog's fur. This is not just a picture, it is a story. A story about a man, a dog, and a cold, snowy place. A story of friendship and love, even in hard times. That's the end of our practice. I urge you to keep describing your surroundings in simple English to become more fluent. Bye for now.